Hi guys, good morning. So I'm here in the rice field. So today is our harvest day here. It's our harvest day. So I'm with my mom, my sister. So we will start here, down here, out there in the mango tree, and up here. So I didn't have my breakfast yet. It's already around 8. So gotta go in this small nip hut here so that I can have my breakfast. It's a hot day. We're gonna be a hot day today, guys. The weather is good. Everything, everything is good. I like the view. It's nice. It's a nice day. It's a nice day. Every day is a nice day, you know. So I don't know if I can take vlogs, more vlogs for the harvest day. So see you around, guys. Take care always. Bye bye. Ako'y gab. Puyo dan dira. Biarin nabi. So we're almost done here. Beautiful view. So we're almost done here, guys. So maybe we will finish it today. We're gonna finish it today. I don't know. My god, it's very hot. Don't know how many degrees we have today. Temperature today. It's really hot. So we're done here in one box. So we have one box on that side. And I think we got 3 boxes up there. We get 3 boxes up there. So I need to carry all of this rice here and put it here at the center. Ay naku, guys. It's a beautiful day but very hot. My god. So my mother is there. She's having a rest. Because you know it's really hard it's really hard for when your BP is, when you get how do you call it, a high blood, because her, I don't know how much her BP is, her blood pressure is. So she's having a rest because it's very hot, and she said she felt like she wanna puke. She felt that she wanna puke and she fell asleep. Oh my god. She's happy. Mahako to eh. So we're here. That's my mother there. She's eating cupcake. Is that cupcake? We have cupcake. It's not a rice. Ato nang kanon ma? So we have rice here. We have plates. We have cups and water here. So it's 11, almost 11:30. So maybe we'll have a rest for a bit because it's very hot, and then we will continue later. My god, later. Not later. Later. my sorry guys, my pronunciation is not really good, but I'll try my best, you know, so that you would understand what I'm trying to say here, even that my English is not perfect. And it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. So here. So there's the there's so many trees here destroyed by the typhoon last is that 1 month, because it's been 1 month more, 1 month and a half. Yep, 1 month and a half. Baway say. Te! Baway say! Lidare! Wasun guro to lang sa kalong sa babaw. So just a little update here guys, because I'm not really active in YouTube for now, but I'll be back soon. I'll be back soon. Oh, there's a kite there. There's a kite up here. Small kite. Look. I don't know if you can see that. It's summer. There's a baby up there. To! Pangundang sa mo to! My God, it's... Undang na to! Undang na to! So there's a copra here guys. Oh. Copra. It's a coconut. You know, I think it's 34 per kilo for this copra now, because it's expensive, you know. After the typhoon it was around, I think the same 34, then it was down to 25 or 24 after a few weeks after the typhoon. But now they said that it's back to 34, the price of this copra. So you know, I don't know how many kilos is this or this. So they're still here, you know. They will just try to dry it. And then they will weigh it and how much the copra are. You know, it's too expensive for the coconut oil now. I think it's 98 or 96 the kilo of it. I don't know, per kilo. 98 per kilo. Lato mo.
Na kanang naisuk.
Na sila dito na niya. Ito na sila dito.
Kumata na di.
Kalami sa suka. Manang buwad ron.
Sige na mo ari di.
Bawa ko na pa ano ron. Ngaw na tayo.
Oy, utin di ko nang.
Ako aning utan di. Ilutaw luwag.
Lutaw luwag.
Time. So that's all for today. Joke. So ayan guys, I've done my day job. We're done here, so tomorrow I will need the blower. The blower tomorrow guys. Bulhot na. It's 5 o'clock, around 5 o'clock. And we're gonna go home. So see you again next time, guys. Mo na ko ano isa, 30,000 no isa.